Hey YouTube, it's your girl Amber K back again with another affordable hair video from again Amazon. Yep, I ordered some more hair from Amazon for my birthday. Libra gang, gang. Yep, so next week is my birthday, so I ordered some more hair from Ziling. This is it. It came 1-day shipping. The hair cost $60. So I got 14-inch closer, free part, 14, 16, 18. Excuse me, I'm tired. I just got off work and I'm putting up this video. And it might be a 2-part video or it might just be a 1-part video. I don't know. Or I might merge it all together. I don't know. I'm trying to decide. So again, it's Ziling virgin hair. It's 100% virgin hair. I wanted to dye it, but I don't know. We'll see. I'm gonna continue to dye it. So again, it's the 14-inch 3-part closure. I'll take it out so you guys can see it. Packaging is nice. I like the packaging. Oh, the closure is really nice. This is it. 14-inch body wave, actually. Which body wave does not stay body wave. So everybody keeps saying body wave leaves this curl pattern because body wave never stays body wave. When you wet body wave, it actually gives you an S shape. That's it. It kind of goes straight. If anything, you're going to get an S shape pattern in body wave. It does not stay body wave here. It's just steam process. That's it. Body wave is body wave. That's it. That's all you get from body wave. The first look. After this, after you wash it, it does not stay this way. And this is the 16. I'm going to take everything out the pack. But I'm actually probably go ahead and make my wig tonight. So you might get another part to this video. Comes with a hairnet. $16 is pretty thick. Sorry about all this noise that the package is making. This is for 18. I just don't like how they double tie this stuff with the rubber band on top of it in the packaging. Comes with a hairnet. Between the 16 and the 18, not really sure. It's kind of close in size, but so far so good. So this is the 18. It says unprocessed. So this is what the 18 gonna hit me. I'm probably gonna wear this hair bone straight anyway. And this is where it's gonna hit me. And I usually start mine right here at the nape. think I'm a diet, because I don't want to really take any chances of losing the texture in the hair right now, not especially for my birthday. After a while, I might dye the whole wig and take those chances when I get bored. Because I do get bored easily. And this is the 14. So it's the 14 and the 16. These are all three. 14, 16, and 18 together. Again, this is the Ziling. Oh, they actually sent me some lashes. I probably want to use these. They look kind of plastic. But these are the lashes. I don't know. They're good for practicing. I don't even know how to put on lashes, but they're good for practicing. But I probably won't use them. Well, this is a long video, so I'm going to have 2 parts to this. So this is the initial. Again, it's Ziling hair. I'm going to leave all the information in the description below. Ziling 100% virgin hair. You know, it's a lot of videos on YouTube about this company. But again, this is body wave hair. Again, body wave does not keep this shape unless after you wash it. So I've been wearing virgin hair for years, so I already know how this turns out after I wash it, which I don't even plan on wearing this hair in this style. I plan on wearing it bone straight anyway, or in a natural wave, or flexi rods and bone and body wave. It keeps nice flexi rods gives this hair a lot of body. I always flexi rod this hair. You will love it. Again, this is a natural brown color. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's like a natural brown color. It's not even jet black. It's like a natural brown. The bundles are pretty thick. Again, the 3-part closure is really nice. A little bit on the thin side, but it's okay. I'm just making a wig with it anyway. And that's it. So rate, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, drop it down below. Again, this is going to be the initial review. I will come back again with another video once the hair is installed. Maybe even take you guys with me for my birthday. And let's see what's up. Holla back at you. Thanks. Bye.